Celebrities these days have tons of tattoos adorning their skin. In fact, some celebrities are almost unrecognizable without their tattoos. Tattooing has become a prominent part of pop culture. Yet many celebrities choose to part ways with their tattoos. Tattoo regret is not uncommon even in the entertainment industry. So let's look through some of the most well known celebrities saying goodbye to their tattoos and debunk some rumors of those who've actually not had a tattoo removal. Mark Wahlberg. Young Mark had about 8 to 9 tattoos all over his body. Be it the Bob Marley tattoo on his left arm or the crucifix tattooed around his neck, each carried some personal or professional significance to him. Around the shooting of his 2010 film The Fighter, Mark decided to get rid of all of his tattoos. For Mark, this was a reflection of his growth and maturity. He also wanted to deter his children from following in his footsteps, to which end he even took them to the laser removal sessions to show the pain he was having to go through because of his past mistakes. Mark underwent several laser sessions over a period of 5 years to be tattoo free. He describes the pain as hot bacon grease getting flicked on you over and over and over again. 50 Cent, the artist behind the hit song Candy Shop, has also undergone tattoo removal. In 2010, as the rapper was traversing his newfound acting career, he felt the need to remove his tattoos. This mostly had to do with extremely early reporting time at sets to cover up his tattoos. While 50 Cent has removed his arm tattoos, he continues to savor his back tattoo. Ruby Rose. Well known for her roles in Orange is the New Black, Triple X Return of the Xander Cage, Pitch Perfect 3, and Batwoman, to name a few, has 45 plus tattoos. She often has to cover up her body art during shoots. One tattoo that had been causing her trouble is a Just Love knuckle tattoo, where the cover up makeup washes off easily. And although reports claimed Rose would be getting the tattoo lasered off completely, the tattoo is still faintly visible. Megan Fox. Another celebrated model and actress, Fox underwent laser removal to get rid of the Marilyn Monroe tattoo on her right forearm. Being one of the first faces she ever saw on screen, Fox empathized with Monroe from a very young age. She got this tattoo as a tribute to her role model. Much later, in an Esquire interview, Fox became aware of the darker side of Monroe's life. She found that Marilyn had had a very difficult life since childhood. She had moved in and out of many foster homes and had even suffered sexual abuse. Despite making it big in show business later in life, Marilyn suffered from drug addiction and depression. Fox no longer wanted to be associated with such negative energy and made the decision of removing this tattoo. Mike Tyson. The boxing legend got a tribal tattoo on his face in 2003. His initial plan was to get hearts tattooed on his face to show that he was the man of hearts. His tattoo artist, however, was against this idea and suggested this tattoo instead. Tyson loved the design and what it portrayed, the sign of a brave warrior. On 1st April 2013, Mike Tyson took to Twitter to share his tattoo removal plans, which said, "At the doctor's office this morning, getting this tattoo removed from my face. This is going to be painful." Turns out it was an April Fool's joke. Tyson continues to rock his face tattoo. Post Malone. Malone is equally known for his tattoo collection as he is for his music. He has more than 60 tattoos. In fact, it would be difficult to picture him without his face tattoos. The reason behind his inks, however, is not a happy one. In one of his interviews, Malone admitted to getting face tattoos to cover up his insecurities and lack of self-confidence. Mark Wahlberg, his co-actor from his debut film Spencer Confidential, advised him to slow down. Having gone through the painful removal process himself, Mark did not want Post Malone to have the same experience. Post Malone seems unaffected by warnings as he continues to add more tattoos to his diverse collection. Ever wondered what he looks like without his signature tats? Here's a picture from his pre-tattoo era. Pharrell Williams. In 2008, the happy singer decided to remove his arm sleeve tattoos. While his initial plan was to go through laser removal and a revolutionary skin grafting procedure, he ended up only doing the first. yet some of the tattoos are still faintly visible. Tekashi 69. A rapper by profession, he stands out with his rainbow hair and extensively tattooed skin. Tekashi 69 has had a troubled and controversial life. Apart from public feuds with fellow artists, Tekashi is also charged with several legal offenses including racketeering, drugs and weapons use, and involvement of a child in a sexual performance. In February 2019, he was charged with 9 offenses including conspiracy to commit murder, for which he was up for possibly 47 years in jail. Takashi decided to plead guilty and cooperate with the feds to oust the other 9 Trey gang members involved in the trial in exchange for a reduced prison term. Given the COVID 19 pandemic and his severe asthma, he was granted early release from jail. The remainder of his term was served in home confinement. Following his testimony, there were speculations that Takashi will be brought under the Witness Protection Program. To maintain a low profile, he may have to get rid of all of his tattoos and colored hair. Tekashi has completed his home confinement, and while his safety is still a crucial issue, Tekashi has been fearlessly active on social media platforms, his tattoos nowhere gone. Justin Bieber. The artist behind the hit songs Baby, Yummy, and Lonely has over 50 tattoos all over his body. Most of these tattoos are on his chest, arms, and legs. But 2 tattoos in particular have been the center of excitement and confusion. In November 2018, tattoo artist John Boy posted a picture of Justin with the word Grace tattooed in delicate lettering above his right eyebrow. It is believed that Justin got this as part of a couple's tattoos with his now wife, Hailey Baldwin Bieber. And while the reasons behind the move are still unclear, it appears that Justin got rid of the tattoo within a few months. The tattoo is no longer visible on any of his recent social media posts. The next one. When Selena Gomez and Justin Bieber were dating, Justin got a Selena inspired angel tattoo on his wrist in 2013. The portrait was based on one of Selena's pictures from an Elle magazine photo shoot. Their on and off relationship, however, officially ended in 2018. Both have since then moved on, and Justin is now married to model Hailey Baldwin. In 2016, Justin had tried to cover up the tattoo with some shading, but it didn't make much difference. As per his recent social media posts, he still has the tattoo. Chris Evans. Our Captain America has a few tattoos himself, and while the exact number is unknown, Evans keeps his tattoos pretty well concealed. He did remove one from his collection. Chris earlier had a Chinese symbol tattooed on his right bicep that was supposed to say family. It turned out that his tattoo read surname instead. Chris did get this tattoo removed. Khloe Kardashian. Unlike her elder sister Kim, Khloe loves tattoos. But this was no guarantee against tattoo regret, and Khloe has had 2 of her tattoos removed via laser removal. Within a month from meeting Paul Lamar Odom, a former NBA player, Khloe got married to him. She also had his initials LO tattooed on her hand. Unfortunately, they parted ways in 2013, and she has since had the tattoo removed. Another tattoo she bid farewell to was the daddy tattoo on her back, inked in honor of her late father Robert Kardashian. None of the tattoos are visible in her recent posts. Wiz Khalifa. The rapper has tattoos literally everywhere. In a 2009 video clip, he said that he would never want to remove any of his tattoos and that he'd like to grow old with them. Wiz Khalifa continues to flaunt his tatted body, and there has been no news of him having undergone tattoo removal. J Balvin. The Colombian singer got his first tattoo when he was just 12 years old. Balvin now has about 34 tattoos, most of them covering his arms. There has been no confirmed news on Balvin removing any of his tattoos. Lil Xan. Rapper, singer and songwriter Diego Llanos aka Lil Xan has over 40 tattoos all over his body. As of now, Lil Xan has had no tattoos removed that we know of. But wonder what he looked like without his iconic face tattoos? Here you go. Adrian Balin. Balin, whose claim to fame had been starring in the Disney movie The Cheetah Girls, had dated Rob Kardashian for 2 years back in 2007. During their relationship, she got a tattoo of Rob's name on her backside. Adrian underwent laser removal to get rid of the tattoo in 2014. Angelina Jolie. When Angelina Jolie was married to Billy Bob Thornton in the early 2000s, she got his name tattooed on her arm with a dragon below it. Following their divorce in 2003, she had the tattoo removed. The same location now has a tattoo of the geographical coordinates of the birthplaces of her 6 kids. Harry Styles. Harry Styles is a human canvas. He has over 50 tattoos etched on his body. And while many of his tattoos carry personal significance for him, one of them seems to be the result of pure bad luck. While on the sets of The Late Late Show with the rest of the One Direction band, Harry turned out to be the unlucky winner in a tattoo lottery. The result? He now has the words Late Late tattooed on his arm. There is no news of Harry removing his Late Late tattoo. It's probably still there. Beyonce. Beyonce's first tattoo was of an angel praying located on her left thigh. She got this tattoo when she was just 21. The singer instantly regretted the ink and started laser surgery within a week. Her removal journey was very painful and she was left with a visible scar. Beyonce now has 2 tiny tattoos on her hands. Eminem. One of the greatest rappers of this era, Eminem has several tattoos on his body. One of them seems to be a dig at his ex-wife Kim Scott. Tattooed around his navel is a tombstone with Kim engraved on it, and under the grave is the phrase, "Rot in pieces." Eminem got this tattoo after a fight when Kim was still his wife. And although there is no news of Eminem removing this tattoo, it has considerably faded over time. Lea Michele. In 2012, Glee actress Lea Michele reportedly underwent laser removal to get rid of a red heart tattoo on her left middle finger. The singer actress has over 10 tattoos. Blac Chyna. Back in 2015, when rumors went flying about Blac Chyna and future dating, she seemed to have confirmed the news with a new tattoo. She got Future inked on the side of her right hand. Future denied all dating rumors soon after. In 2016, Blac Chyna took to laser removal to have the name removed. And while she has covered up the tattoo with new ink of a 4-year-old daughter's name, Dream, faint signs of the old tattoo are still visible. Blac Chyna now has over 18 tattoos. Amber Rose. After 2 years of being together, Amber Rose married Wiz Khalifa in July 2013. To commemorate her love, she got Wiz Khalifa's face tattooed on her arm. After the two split up in 2014, Amber first began to hide the tattoo with pictures of roses. It was only in 2017 when she got a cover-up tattoo. What was earlier Wiz Khalifa's face is now the face of British rock star Slash. Cailin Lowry. Teen mom star Cailin underwent laser removal to get rid of 2 of her many tattoos. The Pride Over Pity tattoo on her collarbone, which also became the title of her memoir, was the result of an impulsive decision which she did not cherish for long. Cailin got this tattoo removed in 2012. Another tattoo she bid farewell to was of a puzzle piece inked on her wrist. She began the removal process in 2013. Mary J. Blige. Singer, rapper and actress Mary J. Blige has several inks on her body. She has a tattoo of her own name in Gothic letters tattooed on her right arm. As per her latest post, Blige still has a tattoo and has not gone for tattoo removal. Nev Schulman. TV host and producer Nev Schulman, best known for Catfish, is another member of the Tattoo Regret Club. At the age of 17, Nev got a huge tattoo on his lower back. It was only in 2017 Nev underwent laser removal to free himself from the tramp stamp. Nicole Richie. Fashion designer and actress Nicole Richie has 9 tattoos in total, but she doesn't love all of them. In the first episode of her AOL web series, #CandidlyNicole, Nicole took her viewers to a laser tattoo removal clinic. She wanted to get rid of the tramp stamp of a cross tattooed on her backside. But after hearing how long the removal process would be, she decided not to go ahead with it. There has been no other report of Nicole removing any of her tattoos. Ariana Grande. Ariana Grande is one of the most popular singers of this generation. Following the success of her song Seven Rings, Ariana Grande decided to get a seven rings tattoo in Japanese kanji characters. But her new tattoo read small BBQ grills instead. She tried to get the tattoo fixed but ended up with another disaster. Her tattoo now translated to Japanese BBQ finger. Following this incident, TMZ reported that Ariana was offered $1 million deal from a tattoo removal company to get the tattoo removed from their clinic. Ariana was quick to shut down all rumors. There is no further news of Ariana getting the misspelled tattoo removed. Ariana has, however, had many cover up tattoos over ones that did not stand the test of time. Rihanna. The Wild Thoughts singer has about 25 tattoos all over her body. The most striking of this lot is the tattoo of the Egyptian goddess Isis inked across her ribcage with wide open wings. This tattoo was a tribute to her grandmother whom she lost to cancer. Rihanna continues to cherish this body art and has not gone for tattoo removal. Can't remember how she looked like without this iconic tattoo? Here's a throwback picture. We hope to have answered all your questions. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.